Welcome students. Today we have to learn inheritance and variation topic from class 12th biology. In this topic we have already seen about types of crosses, laws of dominance also. Again we have seen about that the deviations from the Mendel's and neo-Mendelism also. After this we have to another point we have to learn, that is the gene interaction. So here we have to understand gene interaction. Okay, so this was observed that one gene, okay, that was influenced by the position of the other genes also, means that it was means the gene expression of gene was influenced by the position of other gene also. So that was included in this gene interaction. Interaction means the connection between two genes, and then that was the included. That is two types. Gene interaction is present in two types. One is, we can say, that is the intragenic inheritance. Intragenic inheritance. And another one we can say that intergenic inheritance. Intergenic inheritance. Okay, these two are the types where we can see the different examples. Intragenic inheritance, it shows that it is also having another name. It is also having another name. We can see that this is one type and this is another type. It is also showed that allelic interaction. Okay, so it is also called as allelic interaction. Allelic interaction. And intergenic inheritance is also called as non-allelic interaction or non-allelic interaction. From the words allelic or non-allelic, we can easily determine that what happens actually in these two types. Intragenic inheritance or allelic, we know that each gene is having two alleles. So whatever the interaction is there, whatever the connection is there, that was happens in that two alleles here. So it is called as intragenic inheritance. Suppose this is one chromosome and it is having two alleles. This is one allele and this is second allele. Okay, so it is having one gene here present, that is capital T, and another gene is present, that is small t. So whatever the interaction is there present in between two alleles, each gene is having two alleles. This gene is showing the height of that character, okay, height of that organism. So here the interaction between dominant and recessive, this is dominant allele and this is recessive allele. Whatever the interaction between them is there, that is allelic interaction, or it is also called as intragenic inheritance. Means whatever inheritance there, that was intra, means between these two alleles. Okay. What about intergenic inheritance? Intergenic inheritance means it is also called as non-allelic, means the two alleles are present on the same gene but at different loci, or on the different genes or different chromosomes on the same chromosome, or different chromosomes at different loci. For example, suppose this is one chromosome and having two alleles. Okay, so these chromosomes are present. Okay, and here is one gene present and here is the same gene present. Another gene was there, that was present here, but same chromosome but at different loci, or this is another chromosome and one gene is present. Suppose we can write down here. Okay, one gene is present here and another gene is present here. Okay, so what happened that here is T gene is present and here P gene is present. Okay, so what happened that intergenic inheritance means the interaction between these two genes. They are present on the different loci of different chromosomes or same chromosome but at different loci, means one locus. Locus means the position or location of that gene. So on that chromosome, on which loci or which locus that gene is present, either it is same but different loci or it is on the different chromosome at different loci or same loci. Okay, so this is about the intergenic inheritance or intragenic inheritance, and there are different examples also. For example, intragenic inheritance is having example, that is dominance, incomplete dominance, and another one example is codominance. So we can write down the examples also here. Examples: incomplete dominance. This is one example. Second, we can say that codominance. Okay, so codominance. These are examples we can observe in the intragenic inheritance, that is allelic interaction. Here are some examples in non-allelic interaction, means the genes are present on the different loci or different chromosomes also. One example here we can say that pleiotropy. Okay, pleiotropy. Second example we can say here polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance. Okay, polygenic inheritance, or we can write down here also inheritance, polygenic inheritance. Third type of examples we can write down here, that is epistasis. Epistasis. And fourth one we can write again, that is supplementary genes. Supplementary genes. Fifth one we can write here, that is complementary genes. So these are the examples of non-allelic interaction: pleiotropy, polygenic inheritance, supplementary genes, complementary genes or collaborator genes, duplicate genes. There are so many different examples we can observe while we will learn the intergenic inheritance and codominance and incomplete dominance, while we will do the study of the allelic interaction. So this is about that gene interaction, which defines that at different loci or locus or loci, whatever the chromosome is there. So this is the position, this is one loci, this is another loci, this is another loci. So that is the locus, the position of the gene on that chromosome or that allele. Okay, so that was influenced, it is having the ability to influence the trait or character of that other organism or that individual. Okay, so this is about the gene interaction. Rest we will see in the next video. Thank you.